Hello everyone, in this video I'm showing you a detailed business plan for bakery business in Nigeria. I have done a series of videos about the bakery, different aspects of bakery, starting the bakery business, and many have asked me for the business plan, but they did not leave their emails. So I decided to make this video just because of such people and because of other people. The bakery business in Nigeria is a lucrative and fast-growing sector driven by high demand for bread, cakes, pastries, and other baked goods. Urbanization, rising disposable incomes, and changing lifestyles have increased the consumption of bakery products across all income segments. This business plan outlines the establishment of a bakery focused on producing fresh, high-quality baked goods with efficient distribution to retail outlets and direct customers. Now, number one, we want to look at the business overview. Business name. What business name do you already have for your bakery business, or you are proposing to have as you start? Let me have that business name in the comment section below. Now, you also need business type. What type of business is your bakery about? Bakery, yes, it's bakery. But are you looking at bread? Are you looking at cakes? Are you looking at pastries? Are you looking at confectionaries? Let me know what you want to look at in the comment section below. Then location of your business. Are you located in urban? It should be in urban commercial area with high foot traffic like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. But there are many other cities in Nigeria that have high foot traffic. Let me know what city are you watching this video from. So when you drop the comment about your city, someone in your city can link up with you and then you can connect. Now, what is the vision for your bakery business? The vision can be to be recognized as a leading bakery brand in Nigeria, known for quality, affordability, and innovation. You can modify this vision. Then your business, your bakery will have a mission too. And the mission can be like this: to produce and supply fresh, delicious, and affordable bakery goods that meet the diverse tastes of Nigerian consumers. This also can be modified by you to suit your taste. Now, we look at the market analysis as the second aspect of this business plan for bakery business in Nigeria. Industry overview. Nigeria's bakery industry is expanding due to population growth, urbanization, and increasing demand for convenient food. Bread remains a staple for many households, while cakes and pastries are popular for celebrations and daily consumption. Target market: urban families and individuals, retail outlets, supermarkets, and mini marts, events planners and caterers, corporate offices, and schools are all part of your target market. Then the competitive advantage is that you have superior product freshness and quality, variety of baked goods, including specialty and health-conscious options. Then strategic location for efficient distribution is also required. Then strong branding and customer engagement is also important. Now, step number three, or the third part of your business plan, will be your products and services. What is your product and what service you want to provide? So the core products can be white bread, whole wheat bread, and specialty loaves, cakes, birthday, wedding, celebration cakes, etc. Pastries and confectionaries, doughnuts, puff-puff, meat pies, etc. Custom orders for events and corporate clients. Value-added services, home delivery and online ordering, baking classes and workshops. These are optional. Number four aspect of this business plan is business structure and operations. Legal structures, limited liability company or sole proprietorship or even partnership. Then you get the appropriate licenses and the appropriate permits. Register with Corporate Affairs Commission, that's CAC. Obtain NAFDAC certification for food safety and also compliance. Then get local government health and business permits. Then you also need local location and the facilities. What location do you want to use? You rent or purchase a commercial space with baking and packaging areas. Now your storefront for retail sales and customer interaction. Then the equipment that you need are industrial ovens, mixers, baking trays, refrigeration units, and unit for ingredients and finished products. Then packaging machines and display racks are also needed. Then you also need staffing, bakers and pastry chefs, sales and marketing personnel, delivery drivers, cleaners, and support staff. The fifth part of this business plan for bakery business in Nigeria is marketing and sales strategy. The importance of marketing cannot be overemphasized. So the first aspect of the marketing and sales is branding. You need to develop a strong brand identity, emphasizing quality and freshness. Then promotion, social media marketing, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, showcasing products and customer testimonials, collaborations with event planners and corporate clients, discounts, loyalty programs, and seasonal promotions. Then distribution, direct sales at the bakery, supply contracts with supermarkets and mini markets, online sales with delivery options, financial plan, estimated startup cost, example, expense, the estimated cost of the expense equipment purchase can be up to 2 million to 4 million. That means oven, mixers, refrigeration. Initial raw materials can be up to 500,000 naira to 1 million. These include flour, sugar, yeast, packaging. Then rent and renovation can be up to 500,000 to 1 million or more. This is bakery space setup. Then the licensing and permits can cost 100,000 to 200,000 or thereabout. That is CFC, NAFDAC, local permits, etc. Then the marketing and branding can cost you 200,000 naira to 400,000 naira, and this covers advertising, social media campaigns. Then staff salaries for 3 months can be up to 1 million to 1.5 million. So you pay bakers, sales, delivery personnel, and others. The miscellaneous expenses can be up to 200,000 naira, which involves utilities, transport, contingencies. So the total estimated capital is 4.5 million to 8.3 million naira. What then are or is the revenue projection? Daily production capacity of 500 to 1,000 loaves and assorted pastries. Average daily sales can be 50,000 naira to 150,000 naira or more. The monthly revenue target can be 1.5 million to 4.5 million. Break-even is expected within 8 to 12 months with proper management. Now, number 7 part of this business plan is risk analysis and mitigation. Supply chain risks. Maintain multiple suppliers for raw materials to avoid shortages and to avoid disappointment, so that if this supplier does not have at this time another supplier we have. Apart from this, there is need for quality control. Implement strict hygiene and quality standards to prevent product recalls and maintain customer trust. Then competition. Differentiate true products, variety, quality, and customer service. Regulatory compliance. Stay updated with food safety laws and ensure all certifications are correct. Growth strategy. Expand product range to include gluten-free and health-conscious options. Open additional outlets in other urban centers. Develop an e-commerce platform for nationwide sales and delivery. Then invest in automation to increase production capacity and reduce costs. In conclusion, I need to inform you that starting a bakery business in Nigeria today or any other time is a business that offers strong potential for profitability due to high consumer demand and growing urban markets. With careful planning, quality products, strategic marketing, and efficient operations, entrepreneurs can build a successful bakery brand that meets the needs of diverse customers and achieves sustainable growth. This is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video with family and friends, and let me have your comment and questions in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the one I want you to go ahead and watch now. See you in the next one.